Volcanoes were once seen only as forces of destruction, but ancient builders learned to read their aftermath. Volcanic ash cooled into stone, lightweight, fire-resistant, and easy to shape. Mixed with lime, this ash became a powerful binder, creating concrete that hardened slowly over time. Walls built from volcanic stone carried immense loads, while allowing structures to remain flexible and breathable. Moisture did not weaken these buildings. It strengthened the chemical bond within the material. From this knowledge, entire cities were formed, disaster became resource, and architecture learned how to endure.